Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial, and I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. Today we are going to be looking at this beautiful interlock wedge sandal. Now I'm going to be showing us how I actually interlock this multiple color in this tutorial. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be notified. Also, don't forget to like this video. Please like, please share, keep sharing until it gets to everyone. So I want you to just sit back and I'm gonna be right back. So now let's go right into our interlock. Just follow the process. That's the most important thing. Follow the process. So I think I've taught us how to create just one before. So today I just want to show us how you can create multiple straps for this particular interlock. So take your time to go through it. After this, you are just going to go ahead and begin to insert. So just insert them carefully on top of themselves. You insert one side following the first strap that you interlock. Then you go to the next one and also do the same thing. And that is what you are going to keep doing until you are through with the design. It's actually a very simple one. Now I want us to know that one of the reasons why I'm trying to show us all of this is because I want us to be able to, understand exactly what I'm doing when you see some of my designs. And if you have been practicing, I know some of us have been practicing what I'm teaching us. I'm sure you know that you will definitely get the same result I got if you followed what I taught you. Now I want you to know that one thing you can do for me each time you watch my video is to make sure that you like it. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. I think that will make more people to see it. A lot of people come to my DM asking questions. Oh, I paid to a particular instructor. It's tend not to be teaching me what I want to know. Now, I need you to know that on this channel, what I do is I make shoemaking easy. I make it simple. I make it easy. Just follow whatever process you see me do. Please follow the same procedure and you'll be able to get that same result. In my lesson, I don't want you to just query what I do. Now, the reason is because if you don't have another alternative to achieving that result, please, I will suggest you don't query it. Just watch and follow. It's not because you don't have a mind of your own, but because you just want to see what the outcome will be. Trust me, I always try to look out. I try the design before I come here to actually teach us. So if you want to support my channel, I want you to know that I have a lot of packages. If you have subscribed to this channel, please click the join button. You can join the exclusive forum. Probably, oh, I don't have much to come and pay you as an instructor. Join the exclusive forum. All you need to do is to pay around 2,000 naira, which is about $5 on a monthly basis, and you have me answer your questions. You have access to my free PDF file. If you want a personal mentorship, also there is an option for that under the join. If you click the join button, please, I don't want you to take any of the videos for granted. You can actually learn a lot from just all of these videos. So as you can see, I'm just following the same thing, just continue putting it through. You can actually combine different colors. This particular customer wants precisely this color. That's why I'm creating it for her. Please, I want you to know that you don't make attempts at doing something once and give up on it. Please don't give up. If you're an instructor here, please, when they pay you, I'm begging you in the name of God, please teach your students what they paid for. And stop hiding the knowledge you have. No matter how much you hide it, they will still get it somewhere else, even when you are being paid. And that does not guarantee an expansion in your business. So please, I want us to just make sure that we are imparting other people. Don't just learn this thing for learning's sake. Please impart other people. Share with other people. Don't hold these things. Say, hey, where I'm learning it, I will not allow them to know. If you don't allow them to know, God will orchestrate their step and they will definitely get to somebody who will teach them. You can see how lovely this actually look like. Once again, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are part of the exclusive forum, please let me know the kind of design you will want me to actually create for you on this channel. You also have that right to dictate what every other person watches on this channel. You have access to free PDF file as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor, Udurole Mujibola, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.